Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me video. I will be cleaning my kids' bathroom / visitor's bathroom. And I'm also going to show you guys some of my favorite Dollar Tree products to use while I'm cleaning. I feel like at any budget, you should be able to efficiently clean your house. And these are great products that work just like the name brand ones. So let's get started. I'm going to start by taking off my shower curtains and my decorative towels so I can give everything a really good clean. And I'm also going to put away my bath products, and I'm going to empty my trash can. Now the trash can is from the Dollar Tree, as well as the little caddy that I'm using to collect my bath products and move them out of the space. And I'm just going to clean it with some lemon Lysol and some Fabuloso. And they sell the Fabuloso at the Dollar Tree as well, guys. I'm going to use some tub and tile foaming spray. I think this is Scrub and Bubbles. And then I'm just going to give it a good scrub with this scrub brush that I got from, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree. Now, I like to use the Clorox bath wand. This is true. But these tiles have like bevels in them, and there's more spaces between them. I like to give them a little scrub with an actual brush from time to time, and this does the trick. And I'll move on to the bottom of the tub using the same thing. The only addition is that I use a Mr. Clean eraser, or in this case it's the Scrub Buddies eraser, and they do have the ones that come in sheets. I feel like this gets in between the crevices of like the little texture part of the tub at the bottom. Moving on to my toilet, I just clean it starting from top to bottom. And this particular toilet seat has two actual toilet seats on it. One is for our kids. It's a little bit smaller so they don't fall through or they don't have to balance. And the other one is for, normal adults. We just thought this was the best thing since guests use this toilet as well. And I didn't want to have to move like the little step stool with the potty seat on it every time we had guests come over. This is really just the best option. And they also sell this Lysol toilet cleaner at the Dollar Tree. It smells so fresh. It's like a fresh, minty eucalyptus fresh smell. It makes it smell like a spa in here. You know how they have like that peppermint smell in the spa? I'm also using this Clorox toilet wand to clean the toilet bowl. I'm not one for toilet brushes that are reusable, so I like to use this one because you can throw the brush part away. And then I like to clean it off with some Lysol. And you want to remember to clean the bottom sides of your toilet and in the back, as well as the areas next to your toilet. And I really like these Swiffer extendable 360 dusters. I'm using it to get the vanity lights and inside of there. I should be taking them down to wash them, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to hit it with the duster. Okay, so this is a new product from the Dollar Tree I wanted to try. It's this squeegee scrub brush. And y'all, I'm disappointed to say that I really didn't like it. I really didn't like it all that much. As you can see, it's like really kind of streaky and it's kind of missing spots while you're, squeegeeing. I really didn't like it. I did try it sideways and that did a better job, but it's just not worth the hassle. So I'm probably going to go back to my microfiber cloth or my paper towels. This particular product was a no for me. I can see using it to like push water away in your garage or outside or something like that. Maybe on your car, but as far as my mirrors are concerned, which is what I bought it for, it's a no. And I got this little scrub brush. It reminds me of the Scotch-Brite ones. I got it from the Dollar Tree as well. It works exactly like the little name brand ones, and it's $1.25, and I love it. I just put some vinegar, Dawn dish detergent, and a little bit of water in there. These microfiber cloths from the Dollar Tree are also like really good. You get 2 to a pack for $1.25, so I'm stocked up on them. I use them all the time to clean my house. And now that we're done with the sink, we're going to move on to our floors. And I'm just going to use my Tineco cordless vacuum cleaner. You guys see me use this all the time. It just really gets the small spaces really well. You can see me doing behind the toilet. So I really, really love this vacuum. And I am going to use the little mop heads from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot to choose from. But I'm going to choose this little gray one that is more abrasive, as well as this mop bucket that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And before I mop the floor, I'm going to dip the microfiber cloth in there, and I'm going to wash my door, my baseboards, and the front of my vanity. So I'm just going to dip that mop head right in there. And it has like this little Velcro thing that holds it to there. And then you just put it on the little stick. And it fits in small spaces as well, really well. This is a little gem, guys. I also like how it gets under the baseboards and under the door so that you can clean behind the door without opening it. I'm going to go ahead and put my shower curtain back and my towels back. I'm going to refill this basket with some hand towels. And I usually like to do a candle at the end, but like I said, this is my kids' bathroom, so I'm going to hit them with a wallflower from Bath & Body Works that lights up, and we're going to call that good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video.